A very special garden. Hello, my friend. Come and sit with me for a while. Let us talk about a story. This is a story about a garden. But it is not a normal garden. It is a garden inside you, inside every person. Are you ready? Let us begin. Chapter 1: The Empty Field. Once there was a boy. His name was Leo. Leo felt sad many days. He looked at other people. They seemed happy. They seemed busy. They knew what to do. Leo did not know. He wanted to do big things, but he did not know how to start. He felt stuck, like his feet were in heavy mud. One sunny afternoon, Leo walked outside. He walked to the edge of his town. There he saw an old man. The old man stood near a field. The field was empty. Only dirt and weeds were there. But the old man smiled. He looked at the empty field with happy eyes. "Hello," said the old man. "Hello," said Leo. "What are you looking at?" asked Leo. "I'm looking at a garden," said the old man. Leo looked again. He saw only dirt and weeds. "I see no garden," said Leo. The old man laughed softly. "That is because the garden is not here yet," he said. "The garden is in my mind. I see it very clearly." Leo was confused. "How can you see something that is not there?" he asked. The old man pointed to Leo's chest, to his heart. "Can you see your dreams?" asked the old man. "Can you see your hopes?" "No," said Leo. "They are inside me." "Exactly," said the old man. "This field is like your life. Right now, you see only dirt. You see only weeds. You do not see the garden. But it is there. It is waiting inside you." The old man's name was Sam. Sam asked Leo to visit again tomorrow. Leo said he would. That night, Leo thought about the field. He thought about his own life. His life felt like an empty field. What was his garden? He did not know. Chapter 2: The First Seed. The next day, Leo went back. Sam was there. He held a small bag. "What is in the bag?" asked Leo. "Seeds," said Sam. He opened the bag. Inside were many small seeds. Brown, black, tiny. "This is how a garden begins," said Sam. "With one seed. You put it in the dirt. You cover it. You give it water. Then you wait. You cannot see the seed anymore. But it is there. It is working." Sam gave one seed to Leo. "What seed is this?" asked Leo. "It is the seed of discipline," said Sam. Discipline is a big word, but it means simple things. It means doing something good, doing it again and again, even when you do not want to do it. Leo held the seed. It was very small. "How can this tiny thing grow?" he asked. "Trust the process," said Sam. Every big thing starts tiny. Your habits start tiny. Your English starts tiny. Your confidence starts tiny. "Put the seed in the dirt, Leo." So Leo dug a tiny hole. He put the seed in. He covered it with dirt. He poured a little water. "Now what?" asked Leo. "Now we come back tomorrow," said Sam. "And we do one more small thing." This was the first lesson. A big change starts with one tiny action. Do not look at the whole empty field. It will scare you. Look only at the small spot in front of you. Plant one seed today. Just one. Chapter 3: The Weeds of Doubt. Leo returned the next day. He ran to the spot. He wanted to see a plant, but he saw nothing. Only dirt. "Nothing happened," said Leo. He felt disappointed. "Of course," said Sam calmly. "Growth takes time. It happens under the dirt first. You cannot see it, but the seed is busy. It is drinking water. It is getting strong. It is pushing a tiny root down." Sam pointed at the field. "Look there," he said. Small green weeds were everywhere. "These are the weeds of doubt," said Sam. "They grow fast. They grow without you planting them. They say things to you. Things like, 'Nothing is happening,' or 'This is too hard,' or 'I am not good at this.' These weeds grow in every garden, in every life." Sam handed Leo a small tool. "We must pull the weeds," said Sam. "Every day, we pull a few. If we ignore them, they cover everything. They steal sunlight from your good seeds. So Leo began to pull weeds. It was not fun. It was boring work. His hands got dirty. Why must I do this every day? Asked Leo. Because doubt grows every day, said Sam. Every morning, doubt whispers. You must answer with action. You pull one weed. You speak one positive word to yourself. You learn one new English word. This is how you fight doubt. You do not fight with big speeches. You fight with small, daily actions. This was the second lesson. Bad thoughts grow on their own. Good thoughts need care. Pull the weeds every single day. Do not let them stay. Chapter 4: The Reign of Difficulty. A few days later, dark clouds came. Rain began to fall. Leo went to Sam's house. We cannot work in the rain, said Leo. The garden will have to wait. Sam looked out the window. He smiled. Come with me, he said. They put on coats. They walked to the field. The rain was soft but steady. Rain is good, said Sam. Rain is like difficulty in life. It feels uncomfortable. It makes you want to stay inside. But it helps your seeds grow. Your seeds need water. Your character needs difficulty. It makes your roots strong. If life is always sunny and easy, roots stay shallow. One strong wind and the plant falls. Sam stood in the rain. He did not run. Feel the rain, Leo, he said. It is okay to feel sad sometimes. It is okay to find English hard. It is okay to feel stuck. This rain is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Leo stood in the rain. He felt cold. He felt wet. But he also felt strong. He was facing the weather. He was not hiding. This was the third lesson. Hard times are not here to stop you. They are here to strengthen you. Let the rain fall. Learn to stand in it. Chapter 5: The Slow Green Shoot. 1 week later, Leo saw something. A tiny green shoot. It came out of the dirt, right where he planted the seed. It was so small, so weak. "Lah!" shouted Leo. He was so excited. Sam came to look. He smiled. "Yes," he said. "Now you see it. But it is still very small. It needs protection. It needs daily care." Many people see the first sign of growth. Then they stop caring. They think the work is done. But this is when the real work begins. Sam gave Leo a small stick. He tied the tiny plant to the stick. "This stick is support," said Sam. "It is your routine, your daily plan, your good friends, your helpful books. The plant is still weak. A strong wind can break it. Your new habits are still weak. One bad day can break them. So you give them support. You go to bed early to support your energy. You practice English 5 minutes a day to support your learning. You speak kindly to yourself to support your heart." Leo understood. He saw the plant every day. He gave it water. He kept the weeds away. He made sure it had the stick for support. The plant grew a little taller. Very, very slowly. This was the fourth lesson. Growth is always slow when it is real. Do not look for fast results. Look for steady care. Give your dreams support every single day. Chapter 6: Many Different Seeds. The next week, Sam brought his bag again. "Now we plant more seeds," he said. "A garden has many plants. A life has many good habits." He gave Leo new seeds. "This seed is for patience," said Sam. "Plant it here." "This seed is for honesty." "Plant it there." "This seed is for hard work." "This seed is for kindness." Leo planted them all. He asked, "How do I care for so many seeds?" "You do not care for all of them at once," said Sam. "You walk through your garden every day. You look at each plant. You give a little care to each one. 5 minutes for patience. 5 minutes for learning. 5 minutes for exercise. Small care every day. This is how you build a life. Not in one big day, in many, many small days." Leo thought about his English. He tried to learn many words in one day before. He felt tired. He forgot everything. "So I should learn 2 words a day?" asked Leo. "Yes," said Sam. 2 words a day is perfect. In 1 year, you know over 700 words. That is a lot, but it feels easy, because it is small every day. This was the fifth lesson. A rich life is a collection of small, daily habits. Do not try to do everything today. Do a little for each dream, every day. The garden grows full and beautiful over time. Chapter 7. The Season of No Flowers. Months passed. Leo's plants grew. They had green leaves. They looked healthy, but they had no flowers, no fruit, just green leaves. Leo felt impatient. When will I see results? He asked. I work every day. I pull weeds. I give water. But where are the flowers? Sam sat next to Leo. This is the most important time, said Sam. This is the season of no flowers. This is when most people give up. They think nothing is happening. But everything is happening. The plant is growing strong inside. It is building a strong stem, strong roots. It is getting ready. If it made a flower now, the flower would be weak. It would fall off. Your life is the same. You practice English every day. You feel like you are not speaking better, but your mind is learning. It is building connections. You work hard at your job. You feel like no one sees you, but you are building skill. You are building strength. Wait for your season. It will come. Leo decided to trust Sam. He kept caring for the green plants, even with no flowers. This was the sixth lesson. Trust the silent growth. The most important work happens when no one is clapping. When no one, not even you, can see the progress. Keep going. Your season of flowers will come. Chapter 8. The First Flower. Then, one morning, it happened. Leo walked to the garden. He saw a spot of color, a beautiful yellow flower, small, bright, perfect. He almost cried. He ran to get Sam. Sam came and saw the flower. He put his hand on Leo's shoulder. You see, said Sam, his voice warm. This is the result of all your days. All the boring days. All the rainy days. All the days you did not want to come. They led to this flower. Leo felt proud. He felt happy. But Sam said something surprising. Do not stop now, said Sam. The flower is not the end. It is a sign that you are on the right path. Now you must care for the flower, so it can become fruit, so more flowers can come. Leo understood. The goal was not one flower. The goal was a garden that keeps growing. The goal was a life that keeps getting better. This was the seventh lesson. Celebrate small wins. Then go back to work. A win is not a finish line. It is a signpost. It says you are going the right way. Keep walking. Chapter 9. The Visiting Birds. With the flower came bees and beautiful birds. They visited the garden. They sang songs. The birds are like good things in life, said Sam. They come when your garden is healthy. They are good friends. Good opportunities, happy moments. You cannot force a bird to come. You can only make a garden that birds want to visit. How do you do that? Asked Leo. You focus on the garden, said Sam. You focus on your character, on your habits, on your kindness, on your work. You do not chase the birds. You make yourself a person that good things want to find. If you chase a butterfly, it flies away. If you tend your garden, the butterfly comes to you. Leo saw it was true. He did not invite the birds, but they came, because the garden was a good place. This was the eighth lesson. Do not chase happiness. Build a good life. Happiness will come to visit. Focus on your daily actions. Good things will find you. Chapter 10. The Old Tree. At the back of the field there was an old tree. It was big and strong. One day a storm came. A very strong wind blew. Leo's young plants shook, but they had strong stems now. They did not break. The old tree lost a few branches, but its trunk did not move. That tree has deep roots, said Sam. It has seen many storms. Your life needs roots like that. Roots are your beliefs, your values. What do you believe when things are hard? Do you believe you can learn? Do you believe you can try again? Do you believe you are a good person? These are your roots. Nobody sees your roots, but they hold you up in every storm. Sam asked Leo to sit under the tree. Tell me your roots, said Sam. What do you believe? Leo thought. I believe that small steps matter, said Leo. I believe that effort is important. I believe I can learn. I believe tomorrow can be better. Sam smiled. Those are strong roots, he said. Write them down. Say them every morning. A storm will come in your life. You will feel scared. Then you will remember your roots. They will hold you. This was the ninth lesson. Know what you believe. Your roots are your invisible strength. Build them deep. They will hold you when the world shakes. Chapter 11. Sharing the Garden. The garden became full of flowers, colors, and smells. People from the town walked by. They saw the garden. They smiled. They felt happy just looking at it. One girl asked Leo, "How did you make this?" Leo told her. He told her about the first seed. He told her about the weeds. He told her about the rain. He gave her a seed from his plants. You can start your own garden, said Leo. The girl was happy. She planted the seed in her own yard. Sam watched this. He was very proud. This is the final lesson, said Sam. When your garden grows, share it. Share what you learned. Share your seeds. Your story can help someone else start. Your English journey can inspire another person. Your fight with sadness can give someone else hope. Leo understood. His journey was not just for him. It was for others too. When he shared, his own garden felt more beautiful. This was the 10th lesson. Your life is a story. Share your story. It will help someone who feels stuck. It will make your own journey more meaningful. Chapter 12. The Garden Inside. One evening, Leo and Sam sat in the garden. The sun was setting. The sky was orange and pink. Sam, said Leo, my garden outside is beautiful, but I feel something else. I feel a garden inside me now. Sam's eyes were bright. Yes, he said. That was the goal all along. The real garden is not here. The real garden is in your heart. You have discipline growing in your heart. You have patience growing in your heart. You have confidence growing in your heart. You have kindness growing in your heart. The outside garden was just a teacher. It taught you how to grow the inside garden. Leo felt very peaceful. He felt strong. He felt calm. He was not the same boy from the beginning. He was a gardener now. The end and the beginning. My friend, this story is for you. You have an empty field inside you. Maybe you see only dirt right now. Maybe you see only weeds. But I see a garden. I see it clearly. Your garden is waiting. It starts with one seed. What seed will you plant today? The seed of learning one new word. The seed of going for a walk. The seed of speaking kindly to yourself. Plant it. Cover it with a little action. Give it a little water of effort. Then come back tomorrow and do it again. The weeds of doubt will come. Pull them. Say, I am learning. Say, I am trying. The rain of difficulty will fall. Stand in it. Say, this makes me stronger. Your green shoot will come. It will be small. Give it support. Use a routine. Use a friend. Use a good book. There will be seasons of no flowers. Keep going. Trust the growth you cannot see. One day a flower will appear. A small win. Celebrate it. Then keep caring for your garden. Birds will visit. Good things will find you. Build deep roots. Know what you believe. I can learn. I can grow. I can try again. Then share your seeds. Tell your story. Your journey will help another person. They will see your garden and believe they can grow their own. This is how we change our lives. Not in one big jump. In many, many small steps. This is how we learn English. Not in one big lesson. In many, many small conversations. You can do this. I believe in you. I believe in your garden. Now pick up your first seed. Today is a perfect day to begin. A soft request. If this story helped you, please share it with one person. Maybe a friend who feels stuck. Maybe a child learning to believe in themselves. Maybe someone learning English, just like you. Your share might be the water for their seed. And if you want to hear more stories like this, please subscribe to this channel. We can walk this garden path together. one small step at a time. Thank you for listening, my friend. Now go and plant your seed. I will be here, cheering for you.